Why do insults sting so much? Stoicism offers a powerful antidote: silence. When faced with verbal attacks, your instinct may be to retaliate, but what if silence could be a stronger response than any comeback? By remaining quiet, you're not showing weakness. You're displaying unshakable inner strength. Your silence disarms the insulter, often leaving them confused or uncomfortable. This peaceful resistance was famously used by Gandhi, demonstrating that true power comes from self-control. By refusing to engage in petty conflicts, you maintain your inner peace, proving that your self-worth isn't dictated by someone else's words. Hashtag 8. During arguments and conflicts, asterisk. How often do heated disagreements actually lead to resolution? Stoicism suggests an alternative: strategic silence. In the midst of conflict, try pausing instead of immediately countering. This isn't about conceding. It's about creating space for understanding. By choosing silence, you allow yourself to truly listen, potentially discovering common ground or gaining new insights. Silence doesn't mean giving up. It means fostering a more productive and thoughtful conversation. Remember, the goal in conflicts isn't to win, but to find the best solution. And sometimes silence is a first step toward that. Hashtag 9. Pursuing personal growth, asterisk. Have you considered how silence can be a catalyst for self-improvement? Stoicism emphasizes the power of quiet introspection. In a world filled with noise and distractions, intentional silence can be revolutionary. In these quiet moments, you connect with yourself and your values, reflecting on your thoughts, actions, and goals. By embracing silence, you cultivate self-awareness and clarity. This habit doesn't just eliminate external noise. It tunes you into your inner wisdom, fostering deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. Hashtag 10. Dealing with provocation, asterisk. Ever felt like someone was deliberately trying to provoke you? This is where Stoic silence becomes your secret weapon. Your instinct may be to engage, but what if your silence was more powerful than any retort? By remaining quiet, you aren't avoiding conflict. You're disarming the provocateur. Your silence showcases emotional intelligence and self-control, proving that you're not easily manipulated. It signals that you refuse to be thrown off balance by others' negativity. Instead of exhausting yourself with every provocation, choose silence as your shield, preserving your energy for what truly matters. Hashtag 11. Making important decisions, asterisk. Have you ever felt pressured to respond immediately when making a crucial decision? Stoicism reminds us of the power of contemplative silence. In these moments, take a pause, not to procrastinate, but to think strategically. Use this quiet space to weigh your options, consider potential outcomes, and align your choices with your values. By embracing silence before making decisions, you cultivate wisdom and minimize regrets. The quality of your choices often reflects the quality of your thinking, and some of the best thinking happens in silence. Hashtag 12. When listening to others, asterisk. Have you ever caught yourself planning your response while someone else is still speaking? Stoicism teaches us that silence is a tool for genuine listening. Instead of waiting for your turn to speak, embrace silence as an active form of engagement and respect. By staying quiet and fully present, you absorb more information, pick up on subtleties, and foster deeper understanding. This not only improves your relationships, but also enhances your wisdom. In the silence of listening, you often learn more than you ever could by speaking. Your thoughtful silence makes others feel truly heard and valued. Hashtag the transformative power of silence. Have you ever wondered what your silence communicates to others? It's not just about what you don't say. It's about the powerful message you do send. Silence commands respect, creates intrigue, and even shifts the dynamics of a conversation. Think about it. When you choose not to fill every moment with words, you give others space to reflect, to question their own assumptions, and to truly absorb what has been said. But what about those uncomfortable silences that make most people squirm? Embracing those moments can be your secret superpower. How? By remaining calm in the face of social pressure, you demonstrate unshakable confidence. You show that you're comfortable in your own skin, unbothered by the need to fill every gap with unnecessary words. This quiet assurance is magnetic, drawing others toward your composed presence. And here's the key. The more comfortable you become with silence, the more weight your words carry when you do choose to speak. Have you ever noticed how people lean in when a person of few, but meaningful words finally speaks? That could be you. By mastering the art of silence, you're not just changing how you communicate, you're transforming how others perceive you. You become the calm in the storm, the voice of reason in chaos, the one people turn to for thoughtful insights. Isn't it time you embrace this Stoic superpower? To truly harness the power of silence, you need to build your inner strength. According to psychologist Barbara Markway, PhD, the more confident you become, the more you'll be able to calm the voice inside that says, I can't do it. Consequently, your external presence and behavior will begin to reflect your inner strength. In my next video, nobody can make you feel bad without your permission. You'll unlock the mindset for mastering Stoic resilience and strengthening your silent resolve. Thank you for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.